So operators in C, this is a very important topic. So listen carefully. Operators. An operator is a symbol that specifies the mathematical, logical, or relational operation to be performed. So the meaning of mathematical, logical, and relational will be clear when we saw the different types of operators. The data and variables acted upon are called operands. Operators usually form a part of mathematical or logical expressions. Operators that act upon two operands are called binary operands. For example, sum equal to a plus b. Here plus is an operator because plus is acting upon two operands a and b. So we are adding a and b. That means this a and b are acting upon plus. So plus is an operator. And that value will be stored in sum. So here equal to is also considered as an operator. So this plus is an example for binary operand. Why it is a binary operand? Because it acts upon or on that operator plus a and b is acting upon. So there we have two operands and one operator. So since we have two operands, we call it as a plus as a binary operand. Operators that act upon single operands are called unary operands. So here k equal to minus y. So y will have some value, and when I write k equal to minus y, it will be converted into a negative value and it will be stored in k. So here this minus act upon only one variable. This minus act upon only one variable. So it is called unary operator. So here plus acting upon a and b, so it is binary operator. Here minus act upon only one operand called y, so it is called unary operand. So I am writing another one, x equal to 5 plus y. Filsa Karim. Here what are the operands in this example? 5 and y. Okay, 5 and y are the operands. 5 and y are the operands, and plus is the operator. So it is already told you the data and variables act upon are called operands. Here 5 is a data, y is a variable. So this point is clear now. Okay. Equal to is also an operator because the value of 5 plus y will be stored in x. It is called as assignment operator. Okay. In C, operators are classified as follows: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment and decrement operator, bitwise operator, and conditional operator. So we will discuss one by one. So these are the arithmetic operators: plus, minus, star, forward slash, that is for division, and the percentage symbol is for modular division. So plus has two meanings: addition and unary plus. Subtraction. Minus also has two meanings: subtraction or unary minus. Star denotes multiplication, forward slash denote division, percentage denote modular division. So unary minus we have already discussed in the previous slide. It is something like y equal to minus x, or unary plus means you can say y equal to plus x. but it is of actually no use because it is same as y equal to x. So multiplication. So here I will try to explain with the help of an example. Here I have value of a as 14 and b as 4. So we all know what is a plus b. A plus b is 18. A minus b. Sorry. A minus b is 10 because 14 minus 4 is 10. A star b is 56. A by b is 3. So what is a by b? 14 by 4. So there we have only quotient. So only quotient will be there. 14 by 4. There is actually 3 4s are inside 14. That 3 will be the result because a by b denotes quotient. So similarly, a mod b, here it is not called as percentage. In C, this percentage symbol is known as mod. A mod b means what will be the remainder when we divide 14 by 4. When we divide 14 by 4, the remainder will be 2. So that is the value. So I am asking a question. What is 1 mod 2? Mary Elena.
Yes, sir.
What will be the value of 1 mod 2?
Um,
So when I divide 1 by 2, what will be the quotient?
Quotient.
How many 2s are there in 1?
2.
Inside 1, how many 2s are there?
0.
Okay, 0. Quotient is 0. So what will be the remainder?
Reminder.
What is remaining there?
1 by 2.
The remainder is 1. When I divide 1 by 2, I can't find any 2 in 1. So that will be 0. So what is remaining there? 1 is
No.
remaining. Okay.
Okay.
Mayangraj,
Yes, sir.
what is 5 mod 2?
1.
1. Okay, very good. So when I apply modular operation on some value x, that is x mod n, the result will always range from 0 to n minus 1. When I apply x mod n, the result always ranges from 0 to n minus 1. You just remember this point, it will be helpful when we write the programs. One more thing, modular operation is not applicable to floating point data. So if we are using a floating point data type, that means either float or double, we can't apply modular operation. It is not applicable to floating point data. This is also an important point. So the symbol for division is /. The symbol for remainder operator or modular division is percentage symbol. So I'll try to explain these things with the help of an example. equal to 5. I'm writing 50. And b equal to 4. Now also declaring some more variable s for sum, d for difference, p for product, q for quotient, and r for remainder. So listen carefully. S is for sum, d for difference, p for product, q for quotient, r for remainder. Munna Mission PK.
Yes, sir.
So how can I write S is equal to S is sum, S equal to
Then S is equal to A plus B, sir.
okay, A plus B. Naman Anand,
Yes, sir.
what is D? What is D? D stands for difference. How
Yes,
you
sir. Is
write?
it division?
Can you repeat again?
Friends, okay. Sir, A minus B.
Okay, A minus B.
Sir, A minus B.
Okay, good. Nuja MB,
Yes, sir.
what is P?
A star B.
Okay, A star B. Ranveerus, what is Q? Ranveer, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is Q?
Hello.
Tell Ranveer, what is
Quotient, sir.
Okay, Q. How I calculate quotient?
Sir, we divide A by B.
What is the symbol for division?
Slash, sir. Slash.
Which slash, forward or backward?
Sir, forward.
Forward. Okay, very good. Rishi Sagar,
Yes, sir.
what about R?
A percentage B.
So this is symbol is percentage, but we generally call it as modular symbol. Okay, no problem.
Model.
Rohit PB.
Yes, sir.
So as the next line, I want to print everything in a single line with a tab space. I want to print S, then I have to put a tab space. Then I want to print the value of D. I have to put a tab space. Similarly, P, Q, and R. So how will I write for displaying which function I have to use?
Printf.
Okay, printf. Very good. So here, how many variables I have to print? Rohit,
5 variable.
5 variables. So how many percentage D's are required?
5.
5% D. Very good. Percentage D slash D. One, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, Rohit, you can mute the mic. Saget Kumar.
Yes, sir.
So what's the next thing I have to add? Inside printf statement.
Add the S sign with a
Before that, I have to put a
SD
symbol.
comma, sir.
Comma. Okay, very good. Comma S comma D comma. Sorry. S comma D comma B comma Q comma R. Okay. 54. 50 plus 4 is 54. 50 minus 4 is 56. 5 into 4 is 200. 5 by 4 quotient is 12 because 412 is 48. Remainder will be 2. So I hope you understood the concept. Okay. Any doubt in this program?
No, sir.
If it is clear, please type clear in the chat box. Okay, thank you. Okay. So I just want to discuss the arithmetic operations in float. Float means some fractional numbers. Float x equal to a by b. Saksham Sedu.
Yes, sir.
So what's the meaning of this statement? Line number 4.
So it means some space is allocated for x.
Okay, some space is allocated for x and it can hold a floating point value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sales Paul Augustine.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I want to print the value of x. So how will I print
Yes,
it?
sir. Printf.
Printf.
ಮತ್ತೆ MB percentage D.
What is the type of x here?
Float x, sir.
So
Right.
okay. So whether I want to use percentage d, if it is float, I have to use percentage f. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Percentage f. Then what will I write? Comma.
Comma x.
Comma x. Okay. So what will be the output of the program? Can you type it in the chat box? So all of you please type the output of this program. Output of the program means value of x. All of you please type the value of x in the chat box. So different answers, very good. 12.5, 0.5. Okay, 12.5, 12.5. Okay. Okay. Okay, majority is saying 12.5. Tanush said it is 12. Okay, let me compile the program. So I got the output as 12.0000. Okay. So listen carefully. What about 50? Whether it is integer or a floating point? Please respond. Whether 50 is floating point or integer?
Integer, sir.
Integer. What about 4?
Integer again.
Integer again. Okay.
Integer.
Okay. So here x by a by b happens first. 50 by 4. 50 by 4 happens first. So if 50 and since 50 and 4 are integers, what will be the result? Anyone?
12.5.
50 by 4. 50 and 4 are integers. So when I apply division operator, it will give only the quotient. So that's the difference. If both are integers, it will give only the quotient. So quotient is 12. Quotient is 12. So this 12 I am storing to x. But x is actually a float. So that 12 will be converted to float. How 12 will be converted to float? By putting a point and some zeros. I think some 5 zeros. So that's why I got the output as 12 point some 6 zeros.
So why 50 by 4 equal to 12?
Because 50 and 4 are integers. So in C, if we divide two integers, it will only give the quotient. Generally, saying 50 by 4 is 12.5. But here, since 50 and 4 are integers, it will give only 12. And we are trying to store that 12 in a floating point area. So it will be converted to floating point by adding some dot 0, 0, zeros. Is it clear? Never compare with the mathematics. 50 by 4 is 12. First thing I had to understand, here 50 and 4 are integers. That's why I got only the quotient. Is it clear? If it is clear, please type clear in the chat box. So I got 12 since 50 and 4 are integers. So I'm making a small modification. I'm changing this into float. Now can you predict the output? Can you type the output in the chat box? So now what will be the output of this program? Can you type it in the chat box? Please respond. Okay, 12.5 will be the output. Just verify. Okay, 12.5 followed by some 5 zeros. That will be the output. So now I think it is clear. Okay. So one more thing. I change some more modification in the program. Can you predict the output? Can you predict the output? Varsha, Shibu.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output?
12.
Okay, 12. Why?
50/4.
Okay, 15/4 because 50 is integer, 4 is integer. So the output will be actually 12.000. So here I have an error. You just read the error. X undeclared. I didn't declare X. So I have to declare it. And declaring it as int. Sorry, not int, float. Float X. So now I got it as 12. Where the VR? Suppose I want to get the output as 12.5. What will be the modification I have to make in this program? So I can't hear you.
Hello?
പറഞ്ഞോ. I want to get the output as 12.5. What will be the change I have to make at line number 4? Okay, no problem. Tanush ji.
എനിക്കറിയില്ല സാർ.
Okay, leave it. So you just try to recollect what we have studied in real constants. So what about real constants? Real constants will have a whole number part following by a floating point. That means there's a dot following by some fractional part. So here, since this is given as 50, it will be treated as an integer constant. So if I give 50.0, it will be treated as floating point constant. And similarly, instead of 4, if I give 4.0, it will be treated as floating point number. So now we are applying a floating point division. So when it is 50 by 4, it is integer division. When I do 50.0 by 4.0, it is actually floating point division. So I am executing the program. So now I got 12.50000 as the output. So I hope you understood the difference. So 50 and 50.0 are different. 50 is an integer constant. 50.0 is a floating point constant. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. So let me quickly move to the other operators. So I hope you understood arithmetic operators. Next is relational operators. Relation operators are used to compare two quantities. So these are the various relational operators: less than or equal to. We can't type that symbol, general symbol, that is less than. Under that we have a hyphen or underscore. We can't type that in the keyboard. So less than or equal to is used in C program as you have to type a less than symbol followed by an equal to symbol. Similarly, I have a greater than symbol. Similarly, greater than or equal to. 2 equal to means we are comparing whether two quantities are equal or not. Not equal to is denoted by exclamation mark followed by equal to. Next point is very important. The value of relational operator is either 1 or 0. 1 means relation is true, 0 means relation is false. So I will try to explain with the help of an example. Here A is 14, B is 4. What is A less than B? Shyam Santosh.
Yes, sir.
What is A less than B? Whether it is true or false?
False.
False. That means the result value will be 0.
0.
Okay. 0 denotes false, 1 denotes true. Srishant J. Rahul Bharadwaj.
Yes, sir.
So what will be the value of 14? A less than or equal to B, whether it's true or false?
False, sir.
False. That's why I got the result as 0.
Okay, sir.
A greater than B. 14 is greater than 4. It is true. That's why I got result as 1. A A greater than or equal to B is 1 because it is greater than B, so it is also 1. A equal to B, that means we are comparing whether these two quantities are equal. Anyway, 14 is not equal to 4, so this one is false, that's why I got the result as 0. A not equal to B is also true because 14 is not equal to 4. So here I am using not equal to operator, that is 1. The result is 1. So the thing you have to study in this slide is you have to remember the symbols. Less than you already know, greater than you already know, but remember, try to learn or study less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal to is to compare two operands. So single equal to and double equal to have different meaning. Single equal to is to store some value. X equal to 5 means 5 will be stored in X. 5 will be stored in X. Exclamation equal to means not equal to. There also it is relational operator. So these relational operators are used to compare two quantities. So I will do a small example, a simple example. Relational op dot c main. So to just predict the output. Int x equal to 9, comma y equal to 3. Printf percentage d, comma x greater than y. Printf percentage d, comma x equal to y. I'm giving a slash n also here to get the output in a new line. Others, Kumar?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the output of this program?
0 and 0, sir.
What about 9 x greater than y?
Sorry, it is correct, sir.
So the value will be,
1 space 0.
so what will be the output?
1, sir.
Just say the output again.
1, sir.
Okay, line number 4 is 1. What about line number 5?
It is wrong.
So
That's why it
what
is
will be the
0.
output?
0.
0. Okay, very good. So 1 and 0 will be the output. Okay, similarly, you can try the other relational operators also. Is it clear? Is the relational operators clear? Please respond. Okay, thank you. Okay, logical operators. One more correction is there. Okay, next one is logical operators. Logical operators are used when we want to test more than one condition. So in the earlier case, with the help of relational operators, we can only test one condition. We can test only whether a condition between A and B. Only one condition can be checked. Suppose we want to check more than one condition. At that time, we have to use logical operators along with the relational operators. 3 logical operators are there. And, that is logical and, this is actually two pipe symbols. That symbol in the keyboard in laptops and PCs are above that enter key. Above that enter key you will have a pipe symbol. So two pipe symbols denote logical or operation. So this symbol is called pipe. So two pipe symbols form a logical OR, and this one exclamation mark denote logical NOT. So I will explain logical AND and logical OR with the help of some circuits. I have a battery. This is a bulb. This is a switch, S1 and S2. Okay, this is logical AND. Advait.
Yes, sir.
So when will the bulb close or bulb will be
When
turned on?
circuit is closed.
When the circuit is closed. Okay, very good. So when will the circuit get closed?
When S1 and S2. That's
Okay, very
Exactly.
good. When switch
It
1
is-
and switch 2 turned on, bulb will be glowing or bulb will be turned on. That is logical AND. We just consider this condition, these two as condition, S1 and S2. So when these two conditions are satisfied, only the bulb will glow. So I hope you understood what is logical AND. We will see more examples anyway. So similarly, what will be OR? I have a switch. Again, I have a switch. I have a battery. Here also I have a bulb. This is S1. This is S2. Acknell Jose,
Yes, sir.
when will the bulb close? The second circuit.
Circuit is connected. Circuit is connected. Circuit
When
is
circuit is
closed.
connected, the bulb will glow. So when will that circuit get completed?
When either of the switch is
Okay, when
closed.
either of
Either S1
or
or
both the switches turn on, the bulb will blow. The bulb will glow. So whenever you think about logical AND and logical OR, these two circuits come to your mind, must come to your mind. Then it will be very easy to understand. Okay. Logical NOT we will discuss later. Like relational expression, logical expression also yields a value 1 or 0 based on the truth table shown below. So this is called the truth table. I have two operands, OP1 and OP2. You just imagine OP1 here is any non-zero value. That means it can be a negative value or it can be a positive value. And OP2 is also a non-zero value. That means it can be either negative or positive. Then if we apply logical AND operation, 2 ampersand symbol means logical AND, the result will be 1. That means OP1 and OP2 are both are non-zero values, then the result will be 1. Or non-zero means both the switches are on. Non-zero you just imagine like switch is on. Here OP1 and OP2 are two switches, 2 are turned on. That means the result will be 1. Here non-zero and 0. 0 means the switch is off. In AND, if any one of the switch is off, the result will be also off condition. That's why the result is 0. Here also 0 and non-zero. One of the switch is off. So the result is 0. Both the switches are off. So the result is 0. So here I have OR. Sorry, I made a mistake. Here it is 1. Here it is 1. So here okay, here it is OR. Both the switches are on. In OR condition, the bulb will glow. That's why it is 1. Here one of the switch is on. There also the bulb will glow. Here also one of the switch is on. So the bulb will glow. Here both switches are off. So the bulb will not glow. That is denoted by 0. So OP means the input is non-zero, output will be 0. And if the input is 0, the output will be 1. So it will just complement, or it will take the just inverse of the condition. It will take inverse of the condition. Is it clear? Any doubt in this one? Okay, it is clear. So here we'll go back to the program, and after that I will give you a 2-minute break. Sorry, 5-minute break. So there is one doubt. Is it also for float value? I think Saget value you are saying about this program now. Saget Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Earlier you asked a doubt. Is it applicable to float also?
Yes.
Yes, it is definitely applicable to float.
Okay.
So I will change it to float. Float here, this percentage D. I'm changing the F. Changing the F. So here the thing is, so okay, let me take the output. Here I got the output, both are zeros. So what is my expected output? Expected output is 1 and 0. Here the thing is, when I compare X and Y, it is giving output either 1 or 0. It is not giving output in 1.0 and 0.0. It is giving in 1.1 and 0. That means the result will be in integer. The result will be in integer. That's why I didn't get the output properly. So I'm changing this F to D and this percentage F to D also, because the result will be in integer, because it is 1 or 0. Both 1 and 0 are integers. Now I got it as 1 and 0. So it is...
Sir, replace
Okay.
X at floating value.
So both are float here. You just look at line number 3.
No, sir, I want to change the value of X, that is a floating value, that is 9.222.
Okay, 9.2. Okay, very good. 9.2, some 3.5. Anyway, 9.5 is greater than 3.5. The output will be 1 and 0. Output will be 1 and 0. Is it clear, Saget? Any more modifications needed?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, let me move to logical operators. Logical op.c. So same example I am going to modify. Comma a equal to 0, comma b equal to -5. So just look at the program carefully. Here I have two conditions. Earlier already I have written x greater than y, and now I am added b less than a, and I initialized the value of a as 0 and b as minus 5. So here it is clear what is the purpose of relational operator. The purpose of relational operator is to connect two conditions or to join two conditions. So here I want to check both the conditions, x greater than y and b less than y. So in the slide we have discussed the relational operators also produce output either in 1 or 0. Either in 1 or 0. 1 means true, 0 means false. Varsha, Shibu, can you predict the output? Varsha, can you predict the output? What about first condition, x greater than y? Is it true or false?
True.
True. What about second condition?
True. True.
True. So when both are true or both switches are on, what will be the output?
Output 1.
So output is 1. Okay. Vairada, what will be the output of second statement? Vairada, can you hear me? Shidin Raj, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the output of second line number 5?
1 0.
So what will happen? And in between we have an AND operator. So on and 0. One switch is on, another switch is off. So what will be the outcome?
0.
0. Very good. What is 0? Rishi Sagar,
Yes, sir.
what will be the output of line number 6?
1.
1. Why? The first condition is,
True.
second condition is,
False.
but we are connected using
Or.
OR operator. So OR means if any one of the switch is on, the bulb is also on condition. 1 0 1. Okay, very good. Mary Alina,
Oh, yes, sir.
will be the output of line number 7.
0.
0. X equal to is false.
Random false.
Both are false, and we are connecting using OR. So that is 0. Okay, very good. Filsa Karim. Filsa Karim, can you hear me? Fida Sahuda, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
The output of line number 8.
0.
0, because not y. Here y is a non-zero number. So if you apply not on a non-zero number, the output will be 0. Here also output is 0. Debug. What will be the output of 9? Deepak, can you hear me? Anu Fasmin.
Yes, sir.
What will be the output of this line number 9? Okay, here first
1.
A less than B will be estimated. Estimating A less than B, what will be the result?
False.
False means
0.
then not operator will be applied. Not 0 means
1.
let me check the output. So the output is 1. Okay, so this output is also 1. So I hope you are clear with the relational operators. Any doubt? Is it clear? Okay, can you hear me now? Okay. So whether you need a break for 5 minutes or whether I can wind up by till 10:30. So whether you need a break or whether I can wind up by 10:30.
You can continue.
Okay, next one is assignment operator. Used to assign the result of an expression to a variable. So we already discussed about assignment operator. Assignment operator means nothing but there is equal to symbol. X equal to 5. That means the value of 5 will be assigned to X. X equal to A plus B. And B will be added and that value will be assigned to X. And B will be added and that value will be assigned to X. So that is the assignment operator. But what we have to study here is C has a set of shorthand or compound assignment operators of the form V OP equal to expression. This OP can be any operator. This OP can be any operator. So the meaning is V equal to V OP expression. So I will try to explain with the help of a simple example. So suppose I have write a statement like this in a C program. X plus equal to B. X plus equal to B. The meaning is A equal to A plus B. A equal to A plus B. Here I have written something like X plus equal to Y plus 1. The meaning is the left hand side will contain X equal to this X itself will be operand X equal to X plus Y plus 1. So here this bracket is very important. y plus 1 will be estimated first, then it will be added. So here the result will be same, but if here if it is some star or division, it is very important. So that has to be performed first. Here a mod equal to b. The result is a equal to a mod b. So let me discuss some examples. So what we are going to discuss is discussing about shorthand assignment operator. So I will write some codes. You have to predict the output. Int x equal to 5, comma y equal to 10. X plus equal to y. Printf percentage d, comma x. Rahul Bharadwaj,
Yes, sir.
what will be the output of x? What will be the value of x? Rahul Bharadwaj. Advait,
Yes, sir.
what will be the output of this program?
15.
15. X plus equal to y means x equal to x plus y. So x plus y is 15. That will be stored in x. So the value of x will be get updated. X will get updated. So now the value of x is 15. X mod equal to y. Agnel Jose, what will be the output? What will be the output at line number 7?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
X mod y.
X mod y. What is x mod y? What is the value of x?
Sir, x is 5 and y is 10. So
What is the value of x?
remainder
What is the value of x?
yeah. X is 5, right? 5.
5 or 15?
Okay, 15.
Okay, listen carefully. During the execution of line number 5, the value of x get updated. The value of x get updated. So it is no more 5. It is updated. That's why when we studied variable, during the execution of the program, the value of each variable may change. So what is the new value of x? X equal to x mod y. 15 mod y. What is the remainder? Agnel?
5.
So x again becomes 5. Okay. So any operator can be used. Alex, can you predict the output?
1.
Okay. Here what's the meaning? X
One.
equal to x greater than y. Alex, how you got 1?
Yes, sir.
What is the value of x?
Except for 5 lack of
Okay.
0.
5 greater than y is? Y is 10. 5 greater
Greater
than
than
10
by
is
0.
0.
False, sir.
False.
0.
False means 0. So now the x value will
Sure.
be 0. Let me check the output. There is one. There is one error here. It is comma actually. So here I'm getting output as 5. So we can't apply a relational operator in as shorthand assignment operator. So this one I will refer it and say. So we will discuss this shorthand assignment operator later. So I'm not clear with that. I will refer it somewhere and say. So are you clear with shorthand assignment operator? The last example I will explain it later. Why I got output 5, I will explain it later. So whether you are clear with shorthand assignment operator, please respond. Whether you are clear with the concept of shorthand assignment operator,
Hello?
tell,
Excuse me, sir.
tell, what's your name?
Hello?
What's your name? Shashikant.
Sasi.
Okay,
Yes,
tell
sir.
Shashikant.
Sasikant Singh.
Okay.
Sir, here in assignment operator, the example which you have taken,
Yeah.
x plus is equals to y.
Okay.
But here in slide, plus 1 is also added. But you have not added plus 1, sir. Why?
Where? Here. This one.
Yes.
Here x plus equal to y plus 1. So that is different. X plus equal to y plus
Yes,
1 means x equal to
here
x plus y plus 1.
y.
So x plus equal to y means it is only x equal to x plus y. It is not discussed in the example. Okay, we will discuss that one also. Okay, very good.
That's why I asking, sir.
Okay, just I am changing this
Why
to
you
y
have
plus
not
1.
included plus
Okay,
1?
next I am adding y plus 1. So the meaning will be x equal to x plus y plus 1. Y plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So the expected output at line number 5 is 16. Now we got it as 16. Okay. Is it clear, Shashikant?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Let me move to next operator. Increment and decrement operator. I think we can discuss this increment and decrement operator in the next